Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, Gus here again from Belgium. Welcome in this small tutorial video. In this video I will answer a question that I've been getting from some students like, hey Gus, how can I get my website responsive? Well, it's easy. We are now, let's check, May 2019. If you now are new or starting something in the WordPress community, you should be happy. Why? Because there are tons and tons and tons, I think millions of WordPress themes, good ones, bad ones, doesn't matter, tons of WordPress themes. And the good thing is, well, in my experience, most of them are fully responsive. If you have landed in the WordPress community like, I don't know, 7-8 years ago, things were huge different. So if I were you, I would just pick, for example, like this, a good responsive WordPress theme. I'm not saying Astra is the best one, but in my opinion, it's one of the best ones. You have free ones and paid ones, themes of course. But if you see on this Astra website, they have here something like, what is it called? Starter sites. So let me hide my face first so you can see everything. So what do they mean by that? This is ready to import websites. So you see, conversion optimized websites made with Astra and your favorite page builder. So you know, I'm a huge fan of this one. Page builder is Elementor, but in this example I will show you some starter sites or themes of Astra. So you can of course filter on free, but I always advise to go for the paid one because they are really not expensive, and then you can access everything. So it's really easy. If you find one and you like it, you just click on it. This is loading. Okay, here are the next ones. This is one I've been playing with. It's all really easy. So you see they are really nice, beautiful, clean design. So let's say you want to quickly view this one. Just click on it. It's loading. Go back. For some reason it's a little bit slow today, but it doesn't matter. You see they have tons and tons of templates. You can keep on scrolling. Click on load more. Okay, it's loaded. So if you have plans to make a website about what is this, detox, etc., you can use this. See, nice effect, nice beautiful pictures. You can change all the text you want without programming. Nice beautiful fonts, nice icons, contact form, testimonial, logos. You can link everything on social media. It's a fixed header, as you see. When you click on about, it will go to the about page. You can change the header images. You can add your own picture here. You can link the button to wherever page you want. You can edit this all. You can change the icons. You can keep them, of course, also. Here also, all you see, it's really easy to edit. Let's go to the, what is this, the services page. So once again, I like this design. It's cool, good fonts, good icons, fresh view, and of course testimonials. That's also great for the conversion, right? And then book an appointment. Normally it should link to the contact page or to pop up, but here it's not linked, of course. Let's go to the contact me. Excuse me. Yeah, of course here I have the Google Maps integration. You can edit that, tweak that for your own location of your business, and then of course again a contact form, etc., social media. Here the footer, you can edit everything you want, and this is just one example, as you see, of the Astra themes. So of course I will not check them one by one in this video, but here you can filter for business, e-commerce, free, author blog. So let's scroll a little bit down, maybe check one more. They have tons and tons of ones. This one was the one we just checked. Click on load more. If you're a makeup artist, agency, doesn't matter. We can fitness trainer, somebody, spa, outdoor adventure, product landing page, that's cool. Can do that also if you want. If you want to are planning to sell a course, you can do that. Yeah, we can. Okay, let's click on this one. Quick view, doesn't matter. It's just playing and testing. It's loading. You see, nice big picture, good menu. Go down. This is not with a fixed header. I always advise to go for a fixed header. It's good for conversion also. So yeah, this is okay. This theme is maybe not so great, but you know what I mean. So you can check them all, and maybe there will be some starter site that you like, and then you can easily tweak it and use it as your own website. So that's one way. Of course, there are millions and millions of other WordPress themes, but this is one that I really like and advise that you play with it and test it. So then of course we have this the Elementor. This is the editor where you can tweak WordPress pages and posts and themes with it. They also have some good functionality like this. They have WordPress landing page templates. Of course, I will put all the links in the description below, so you can check this out, the free one and the paid ones. So the reason that I like this, I get lots and lots of questions about from old students and new students and leads and all that, and they ask me, okay, I like to start with a WordPress website, but I do not want to program into HTML, PHP, whatever. I just want to drag and drop my website, play with it, and edit the colors, the fonts, the buttons, you name it. And then of course such solutions are perfect. And to be honest, I also use a lot these themes, and especially Elementor Astra. I'm using nearly daily for new websites. So for example, if you like someone, you can you see they have crazy amount of let's click on this one. Nice colors, excuse me, topics covered, blah blah blah, preview, sorry, download now. You can okay, the link is not activated, but yeah, really cool, clean interfaces. Just check them all. You just go to the website of Elementor, you just click on the button, and then you can search, choose the one you want. So really easy, guys, and really fun, really fun. I can spend really hours checking all these things. And if you like one, you just click on one, and of course you can go for the paid one also. Then you have all the options. So that's all for this small tutorial video on how to start, how to select a good proper WordPress theme and page builder. So if you go for these two, the Astra together with the Elementor, really you cannot go wrong. You will enjoy. You can make a beautiful website without programming, without coding or whatever, and you have mostly all the cool new options and features. So that's really all you need to get started these days online. Okay, that's all for this small video. See you in the next video. Bye.